Today we're making buttered chicken. So this is my very first time making this. I've looked at like 10 recipes, so please don't come for me in the comments, but these are our ingredients, pretty simple. So we're gonna start off by washing our hands and our chicken, of course, and I went ahead and diced my chicken into cubes and washed it. Now I know that something's wrong. I could not find any non-dairy plain Greek yogurt, so I got vanilla, so I hope it don't do nothing. This is turmeric. One time it's a running joke in my house that I made turmeric chicken and I put like a ton of turmeric and it numbed our mouths, so I had to be very careful with this. I only put a dash of turmeric. So I just mixed all of the seasonings together, and also I didn't have any ghee. It's basically like a butter that they use, but it's a better butter. I'm sorry, please don't come for me. Just give me tips to how to do this better. I chopped up my onions and everything that I'm going to use to make my sauce. I sauteed my onions a little bit, put my ginger and garlic paste, and then I went ahead and put my tomato and whipping cream in there. And we went ahead and just warmed that and mixed everything up, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put that in my Ninja to chop everything up and mix everything together and blend our sauce. So once our sauce is finished, I'm gonna put our chicken back in the pot. Forgot to mention, don't cook your chicken all the way, just cook it like almost done and it'll finish cooking in the sauce. But this is what we got. It was real good. I had some naan, but give me tips on how to do better.